Got it. Team, can you please wait for the 2 more minutes stay? అక్షయ్, రాజు గారు ఒకసారి పింగ్ చేయండి సార్. గ్రూప్ లో ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు సార్ వీళ్ళు మనోళ్ళు? వీళ్ళందరూ యా టీమ్, fine. Now, team, let me go through the one more thing here. We need to go through the Deborah, are we discussing about any OOPS concepts? Deborah, am I right? Classes, na? Are we discussing about classes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I forget it, team. Just to give me the reminder also. Class. Deborah, can you explain what is class? Collection of collection of variables and functions, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? A collection of variables and functions we can call class. Got it or not? And another thing, how to declare the class? How to declare the class? How to create the class?
Using class keyword.
Class keyword. How to create empty class?
Pass by using keyword pass.
Yeah, by using one keyword, then that keyword we can call the pass keyword. With the help of pass keyword, we are able to create the class. Yes or not? And another thing. And one more thing, please go through the another thing here. And one more thing. And memory, indirectly we can call Srinivas memory. Memory is there, na? Memory we can call object or not? Memory we can call object. And one more thing. And one more thing, let me go through the another thing here, and you need to tell it. Memory we can call object. What is instance? Can anyone tell to me what is the instance?
Class level variable.
Object one changes. Right answer. Someone giving the right answer. Object one changes won't affect to object two. Object two changes won't affect to object three. That is called as the instance. Fun. Yeah. And Ravi, if you don't mind, please unmute, please interact with me. Team, one friendly request to team. Just like a friendly nature team. Don't think like it's a like one point I need to say team. You people should be happy. And one more thing, team. Today onwards, I will share the openings also. For the luckily for the freshers also, the company started hiring. But I need the placements team in our batches also. So that's why maintain the friendly nature. Like you can fight with me also. So that is the thing I'm expecting. And one more thing. Why constructor? Anyone? Why constructor? Why
Initialize the
constructor?
object.
Himanshu,
Used to-
initialize instance members dynamically.
Yes.
Initialize instance members dynamically. That is called as the constructor. Initialize the instance members dynamically. Technically, we can call the constructor. Got it or not? So that is the point I need to tell. And one more point I need to tell. And Deborah, one more point I need you to tell. Have you heard about inheritance? Inheritance. Inheritance. Oops concepts. Reply Dasari. What is inheritance? The data coming from parent class. The data coming from parent class to child class. Whatever the data is there, the data coming from parent class to child class. Then that one we can call the what we call inheritance. Fine. By default, try to say this one. By default, the data coming from the parent class to child class. Technically, we can call inheritance. That's why I will let you know one example to you. By default, my father had a car. He has the car. That car by default available to me or not? That's why I respond. My father car
Yes,
by default, available to me or not as a kid. That is called
Yes,
as
sir.
inheritance. That is called as inheritance. Deborah, how to check out the branch? Git check out branch name. Git check out batch 3 na?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Git check out batch 3 automatically. Automatically we can go to the batch 3 itself. Now go to the oops concepts. Now we can call the oops. In the oops, we are discussing about inheritance. Fine. Yeah. What is inheritance? Getting data from parent class to getting data from parent class to child class, getting data from parent class to child class, parent class to child class called as inheritance. Got it or not? And Himanshu garu, I hope already you are familiar in this area. Can you
Yes.
tell the types of inheritance? Single level, sir, single level. Next one. Single level.
Hierarchical.
Multi-level na?
Yes.
Multi-level. Sir, third one is the multiple. Here we have the third one. The third one is the multiple here. And here we have the third one here. The third one is the multiple inheritance we have. And another thing, and here we have another thing here. One more thing here. The one more thing is the hierarchical. Next one, here we have another thing here. The another thing is the hybrid inheritance here. So many inheritances are there. Yeah. Dasari, please tell me, what is the first inheritance?
Single levels.
Inheritance. Single level inheritance. What is the
Multi-level.
multi-level inheritance? What is the third
Mu-
inheritance?
Multiple.
Multiple inheritance. What is the fourth inheritance?
Hierarchical.
What is the fifth inheritance? Hybrid
Hybrid.
inheritance. Yeah, Razgar, if you don't mind, for our batch, I given the image, na, Razgar. For our batch,
Yes,
I
sir.
given one image. Can you please download? Can you please share with the chart itself?
Okay.
Fine. So, what is the single level? Yeah, see this one, class parent class. Class parent class. Fine. Dasari, you may raise one question to me. Samba, is it mandatory to place the parent? We can give the ABC also, not an issue. Okay, na? Fine. Now, let me take. We should be in a position. We need to take one variable. Yeah. Can I take num1 here? Can I take num1 here? Num1 equal to 200. Now, can I take, and one more thing, can I take child class? Can I take child class team? Yes, sir. We are able to take the child class also. Let me take the child class also. Fine. This is a child class coming from the parent class or not? This is a child class coming from the parent class. The child contain nothing. Coming to the child contain nothing. Even though nothing, whatever the number we have, whatever the number we have, that number by default availability to child class. Whatever the number we have, that number by default availability to child class. That is called as the inheritance. Fun. Team, observe this one. You people need to say this one. You people need to say this one here. Here, how to create object to the child. How to create obj1 equal to obj1 equal to we should be in a position we need to plus a child. Say this one. Whatever the number we have, that number by default availability to whatever the number we have, that number. Yeah, whatever the number we have here, that number availability to obj1 and how to read it. Say this one, x equal to obj1 dot x equal to obj1 dot number and print x. How to print the x here? Print x. What are the x we have? That x I need to print it. Now, team, how to execute the code? Python 04 oops start 5. Team, are we getting the 200 as the answer? Respond. Are we getting the 200 as the answer? Reply.
Yes.
Reply. You people need to reply. Yes, sir, we got
Yes.
the 200 as the answer here. What are the 200 we got? That 200 we are able to say it up. Fun. Dasari, Namman. Who is the winner for the Namman?
Parents.
Parent. That Namman availability to child or not?
Yes, sir. Available.
Because of inheritance. This line we can call the inheritance. Does a child have anything?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, even though nothing, whatever the number we have, that number availability to child itself. And create the object to the child. I'm creating object to the child and I'm accessing the variable here. For a dummy example thing, this is just a first dummy example. It's a first dummy example, dummy example here. For team, execute the code. I'm requesting you people, please execute the code. Ravi Mishra, can you please respond here? Did you get the chance to practice the yesterday class? Anyone completed the Deborah? Dasari, once done, give the confirmation.
Okay, sir.
Ravi, if possible, please unmute here, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ravi Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ravi, sync అవ్వాలండి క్లాస్ కి. మీరు ఆ రికార్డింగ్ సౌండ్ ఒకసారి తీసుకొని ఫాలో అప్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. ఓకే. Team, anyone completed? Give the confirmation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Team, can I go to the another
Yes.
example? Can I go to the another example? Respond team. Can I
Yes.
go to the another example? Why not?
Yes.
It is fun. Let me go through the another example. Class, what you wanted to place parent class. Class parent. Now, Dasari, take one function. I want you to take one function. How to take the function? Definition, which function you need to take? Definition, which function you need to take? Test function. Is it a instance function? Is it a instance function?
Yes. Self is there, so it is this test.
Please support it, team. Please support it here. Because a
Yes.
team, remaining batches team, just to they done like a very close relationship team, remaining batches, but only your batch team. I think you are not responding. I'm not happy with the team. Remaining batches team, just like a brother and sister, these kind of thing. They're fighting like anything here. If you check the 9 o'clock batch team, they're fighting because today we are starting the rack protocol to their people. Just interact with me. If you are interacting with me, then I will be happy. No faculty, no teacher, nothing here. Then you can talk with me because we gathered here to learn something. Fine. Next one. And one more thing. One more thing. Just to display the message here. We should be in a position. We need to display the message. Print. Print hello. Print hello. Something we need to do by setup. Fine. And another thing is the take the one more thing here. Class which one? Child. Class of child. And one more thing is the parent. Fine. Basically, it's a empty class. Whatever the class is there, then this class is the empty class. Whatever the class we have, then this class we can call the empty class. Team. Whatever the function we have, this function by default available to child class. Whatever the function we have, this is the function or not? This is the function. Whatever the function we have, this function by default availability to child class. Got it or not? How to create object to the child class? Anyone? How to create object
Object 1 equal to
OBJ
child.
equal to child or not? OBJ equal to child.
Yes.
And how to call the function? How to call the function? OBJ dot
OBJ
test
dot
J1 test function name.
function. View. Next one is the terminal. View terminal and run the code. Yes, team. Whatever the test function we have, that test function by default availability to child class. Do that one thing. Team, can I go to the another example? Respond. Once if you people done, then I will go for the another example. Hello. Are you there, Natim?
Yes, Amma.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you can.
And I can go to the another example. How many classes we have? Here, how many classes we have? Only 2 classes, no?
Yes.
2 classes.
That is called as the single level inheritance. Single level inheritance. Team, check the diagram also. How many classes we have? Only 2 classes now. Only 2 classes. Then this inheritance we can call single level inheritance. What are the inheritance we have? Then this inheritance we can call single level inheritance. Got it or not? And another thing. And another thing is the go through the another thing. We need to go through the another thing. What is the multi-level inheritance? What is the multi-level inheritance here? Now go to the one more thing here. Example 8. Go to the example 8. How to create parent class? Class parent, na? Answer. Class. Now, how to take one variable? How to take one variable?
Message.
Yeah, variable equal to message equal to agent message message equal to simply we need to press the agent key. Fun. And another thing. And one more thing is the let me take another class. Class, which class we need to take? Class, which class
Child.
we need to take? Child class. Class.
Child class.
And here we need to do press another thing here, parent. parent, and here we need to place the message one. Message one equal to quantum computing. Message one equal to what? Message one equal to quantum computing, something we need to place it. Yes, sir, Nata. Deborah,
Yeah.
parent class contain how many variables? Parent class contain
One.
how many
One.
variables? One variable. Child class contain how many variables?
One.
Not one, never say one.
Parent, okay, parent and child both.
Total number of variables are?
Message two.
Total number of variables are two. Total number of variables are two. Parent class contain only one variable here, and child class contain two variables. Yes or not? Whatever the message is there, that message by default, whatever the message is there, that message by default evaluated child class also. And another thing is the, let me go to the another class here. I need to go to another class. Let me go to the another class here. Which class we need to place subchild? Class subchild here. Class subchild, and here we need to place a child. Fine. Here I don't want to place anything, just to pass. Otherwise, I need to place the message 3. Message 3 equal to, simply I need to place a message 3. Message 3 equal to, here I need to place the cloud. And here I need to place the cloud deployment. Something we need to place it. We should be in a position, we need to place the cloud deployment. And can anyone help me here? Parent class contain how many variables?
One.
One variable.
Parent class contain how many variables?
Two.
Two variables.
Two.
Subchild contain how many variables?
Three.
Three variables.
Three variables. Got it? Subchild contain three variables. Now, create the object to the subchild. Create the object to the subchild, obj1. obj1 equal to subchild. Now, read the first variable, obj1 dot message. Now, store to where? Store to x. And another thing is the y equal to obj1 dot message 1. Next one, z equal to obj1 dot message 2, and print it. We should be in a position we need to print it x, y, z. Simply, we should be in a position we need to print it x, y, z. Automatically, we're able to print it. Got it now? We are able to print
Yes.
it or not? We are able to print the data. Fine. Team, execute the code. Here, how many classes we have?
Three.
More than two or not?
Multi-level.
More than two or not? That's right. Here we have the more than two or not. Then that inheritance we can call multi-level.
Multi-level.
Fine. Team, execute the code. After executing the code, if you have the time, not time, compulsory, you people need to do it. Do one example with the instance functions also. Do one example with the instance functions.
Some of our question here, as we are creating child class, we are declaring parent name, parent class name, right? So like that in parent class, we can declare child class, we can access classes, child class uh, variables from the parent.
Team, anyone completed team?
Yeah, some more question here. Only parent properties child class can acquire, but child properties parent can acquire by creating object.
You are asking the reverse approach, like a child to parent. You are
Yeah.
expecting that one,
Yeah.
not possible. But no, it's not possible because you are expecting like in other technologies that facility is there. Upcasting. You are asking like upcasting kind of thing. It's not possible in the Python. Hare Ram, Dhanna, Ravi. Do one example of the functions also.
సార్ అవుట్పుట్ లో మనకి ఏ క్లాస్ అనేది మనకి తెలుస్తుంది అలాగా?
Now the data coming from the subchild class, na? The data
Yes,
coming
sir.
from the subchild class. Okay, na? The data coming from the subchild class itself.
సార్ వేరియబుల్ బట్టి మనం ఏ క్లాస్ అనేది
We
అవుట్పుట్ లో
can't.
చూపించలేము.
We can't.
అంటే డాటా టైప్స్ లాగా.
We can't.
ఓకే సార్.
Team, can I go to another example? Team, can I go to the another example? Respond to team. Can I go to the one more example? Anyone? Hello?
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Did you people completed the with the functions also? Ravi? Deborah, did you complete it with the functions also? Functions also. These are the variables, no? Not variables. You need to complete with the functions also. Fine. Team, anyhow. After the class, please do that one. Okay. That's one more example. Can I go for the one more example?
ఓకే సార్.
Yes, sir.
Example 9. Now let me go to the one more example. Example 9. Example 9. I need to go to the example 9. How to create the example 9? Class. I want you to go to the another thing here. Class. We should be in a position. I need to go for the class here. Class. Here I need to place the parent one. Class. I want to place the parent one. Next one. Here, let me take one variable. Let me take the one variable. Here I need to place the AI or layer 1. Layer 1 equal to, I wanted to place machine learning. Layer 1 equal to, it's better to take the small L only. Layer 1 equal to machine learning, I need to take it up. Let me take another thing here. Class parent 2. Two parents are there. Class parent 2, layer 2. Here I wanted to place the layer 2. Layer 2 equal to, I wanted to place the deep learning. Layer 2 equal to, simply we need to place the deep learning here. And another thing. And another thing is that let me go to the another thing here. Class, which class you people wanted to maintain? Class, which class I need to maintain? Child class. Simply, we should be in a position we need to maintain the child class. Child class, what you wanted to place? Parent 1 comma parent 2. Parent 2, now layer 3. Layer 3 equal to, and here we should be in a position we need to place the layer 3, I need to place the NLP. Simply we need to place the NLP. Team, say this one. Who is the boss for child? Who is the boss for the child? Parent 1 and parent 2 na? Reply.
Yes.
Whatever the data present into parent 1 and parent 2. Parent 2 by default availability to the child itself. Whatever the data present into parent 1 and parent 2 by default availability to the child class itself. Okay, na? This child contain how many parents? This child contain how many parents?
Two.
Two parents or not? Two parents. Team, take some time. Never say speed answers, take some time. Parent 1 contain how many variables?
1.
One
One.
variable. Parent 2 contain how many variables?
One.
One. Deborah never said 2 because no relation. Simple class.
Uh,
And another thing is the series one. Child contain how many variables?
Two.
Three variables.
Three.
3 variables.
Child
Parent
contain
1, parent 2.
three
And
variables. It contains the three variables here. And another thing, create object to the child. We should be in a position we need to create the object to the child here. Obj equal to, we should be in a position we need to create the child. And read the data. How to read the data? Yeah, x equal to obj dot layer 1 up.
Yeah.
That at layer 1 and y equal to what you wanted to place obj dot layer 2 na? Layer 2 and z equal to obj dot what you wanted to place layer 3 and print it. We should be in a position we need to print it x comma y comma z we need to print it. and run that code. Whatever the code is there, that code we need to run it. Run the code here. Yes. Now do this one thing.
Sir, can we get layer 3 before layer 2?
You were asking printing order, no?
Yeah. No, value also.
No, it's not possible, na, Hariram, because
Okay.
it's a child coming from the parent one and parent two, na?
Yeah.
Parent one and
Okay.
parent two. It's not possible.
Okay.
Not possible.
Some in case two parents having same variable name, how it will
Overriding will
handle
be,
that?
at that time, overriding will be happen. Next example is the same example. I will
Oh, okay.
some example next time. Team, anyone completing? Hello?
Yeah.
Sir, wait.
Yeah, that's
Hello? Team completed, na? Hello? Respond team. Can I go to the another example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now try to
yes.
here we should gonna to
Yes, sir.
need to go for another example. Let me go through the another example. Yeah, here I will do something here in here. Now, how to create parent class? Class, which class I need to create parent one. Now, take one variable message equal to agentic AI. Message equal to otherwise I need to place the machine learning. And now let me take the class parent two. Class parent two. Here I need to place the once again message here. message equal to I need to do plus the deep learning. Simply we should be in a position we need to do plus the deep learning. Class what you want to do take child class a child say this one parent 1 comma parent 2 parent 1 comma parent 2. Now here it contain nothing team. Here we have the nothing team parent 1 parent 2 both contain the same variable na message na
Yeah.
which class we return first
Parent one.
parent 1 data will be displayed. The priority goes to first class. Now I think we are unable to see the message here. Check the proof also. obj equal to what you want to place child. Now
Child.
print it. How to print it? X equal to obj dot
Okay.
message na obj dot
Yes.
message. Print of what? X na print of
Yeah.
X. Yes, machine learning or not. What is the
Yeah.
first class we are keeping here? Parent 1 na parent 1.
Yes,
Parent
yes.
1 contain what?
ML message ML.
Stage series one parent to 2 data won't available here. For example, if I place a parent to 2 here, if I place the parent to 2, next one is the parent 1. Which data availability to child class?
Then parent two.
Parent to 2 contain what?
DL. Yeah.
Deep learning here. And one more thing, Hare Ram, you may ask one more question to me. Samba, if I have another message here, another message,
Yeah.
message equal to, you may say, sir, message equal to, I need to go for the agentic AI. If you say one more point, a message equal to agentic AI. Now I hope I'm believing like the priority goes to agentic AI.
Isn't okay.
Yes or not? The priority goes to agentic AI. Change the flow, and please check it.
Okay. Yeah.
So local variable will the first priority in case of this.
Local variable have the first priority. Next one, parent 2 have the second priority. Parent 1 have the next priority.
Okay.
Team, anyone completed? Hare Ram,
Yes, sir. Yeah. Parent.
Deborah, are you doing along with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Team, how many inheritances we done? How many inheritances? 3. One is the single level inheritance. Next one, multi-level inheritance. Next one, multiple. In the multiple, we done with the variables now. Can you please do one example with the instance functions? Can you please do one example with the instance functions? Team responder.
Yes.
Do one example with the instance functions. Team, I have the one more session, team. Parallel one more session is running here, like another session, not my session, another session is running. Please practice up to now, team, and tomorrow we will extend it. Fine. How to push the code? Today, allow me to stop 15 minutes before. Here, tomorrow, I will extend it. How to add the code team? Git add data. Git
Yes.
data. Git commit. Git commit minus m. Git commit minus m. Some code we need to do plus. And how to push it? Git push. Fine. Don't forget it, team. You people need to practice it. But before going to that one, check the diagram here. Dasari, can you please explain the diagram? Parent to child. What do you call? Single level or not?
Single levels,
Parent, child, sub-child. What do you call? Multi-level or not?
multi levels,
Child contain more than one parent. Child contain more than one parent. What do you call?
multiples, multiple
Just
inheritance.
like a rough diagram. Just like a rough diagram I given here. No need to worry. Okay, na? Fine.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, team. I have the one more session, team, in my office. One more class also running here. Just allow me to monitor that one, and tomorrow I will extend it. Deborah, please interact with the team, Deborah, because they are trying to.
Okay, sir.
Times.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, team. Bye.